Okay, I hate to sound negative about this. If you can't, this is easy, okay? Factor the expression. You already see there's two parentheses, and each parentheses there's something outside, okay? All you do, and this is just set you up for something that's more complicated that's coming up down the line, but it'll be a lot easier if we do this here today. It's one of those silly things to set up for later on. You make two parentheses. Now, in this parentheses, if your two parentheses match, which they do, you put x plus 2. Now, cross those out, and what do you have left? You have x to the second and a negative 16. So you put x second minus 16. Now, if you have a plus, you can circle it because you're done messing with that. But if you have a minus, you got to see if you have a difference of perfect squares. Well, here's a minus, and 16's on the board. That's 4 times 4. And x to the second, so it's x times x. So yeah, this needs to go down into a difference of perfect squares. So remember, I do that. I go plus, minus, then x, and then 4 and 4. Okay. All right, and then you can circle both those. All right, next one. What's in both parentheses? Okay, x minus 4. Why don't you put that? Actually, put your whatever's in those, put those that here. Okay, doesn't matter which one, I guess, but cross those out, and then we have 2x to the second plus 5. Okay. So I can circle the one that has a plus. Now the one that has a minus, 4's on the board, but x is not on the board. It has to be x to the second if it's on the board. So this one gets circled too, okay? For you to break up x, it has to be to the second power. So I'm not really working too hard here, okay? All right, so two parentheses. What's in each parentheses? X minus 6. Now, after we get done crossing those out, because we're factoring that out, we got 3x second and 7. Okay, this has a plus, that has a minus, but 6 is not on the board. It's not a perfect square, so there we go. Okay, now something interesting happens here. My parentheses don't have a match, okay? So when they don't have a match, the answer you write prime, meaning you can do nothing, okay? Prime basically means when I'm factoring, I can't do anything with it. Okay, what parentheses match? Yep, x plus 3. Then I have x to the second and minus 5. Okay, that is a plus. That is a minus, but 5 is not a perfect square, so done with that. What do you have in each parentheses? X plus 5. 4x second and plus 3. That's a plus. That's a plus. So I don't even need to do anything else. Okay. Okay, x minus 2. What do we have? We have 4x to the second minus 9. Okay, now they're both minuses, so we need to take a look at both of them for possible difference of perfect squares. Now that's minus, but 2 is not a perfect square. No, 2 is not 1 times 1. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. They're slick. Okay, so we have that. Now we got a minus here, and 9's on the board. Okay, so that's 3 times 3. 4 is on the board. That's 2 times 2. And x is to the second here, which we always know is x times x. So that's going to be 2x times 2x, which means we need to break that down. So 2x, 2x, 3, 3. Circle them. Got them. This, and this are the answers. Okay, this one, well, my parentheses ain't even the same, so I know the answer is prime. Okay, that's a pretty easy assignment if I don't say so myself. Thank you. Have a nice day.